damage. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something I like never do, and that is a clothing haul. I hate shopping and I hate spending money, but I did both of those things and I went on a huge shopping spree because I just moved out. It's a new year. I needed new clothes, so I just went ahead and bought a lot of new clothes. So I'm going to try them on for you, show you what I got, all of the above. Before we get started, today's video is sponsored by Poshmark. If you haven't heard Poshmark, it's basically the reason why I convinced myself that I can spend money to go shopping, because I sell my clothes on Poshmark and then use that money to buy new clothes. And I can also buy clothes on Poshmark, which is really cool. So make sure to download the app. The link will be in the description, and follow my closet because I'm going to be selling stuff. In fact, my brother is going to help me because I have a lot to sell. So if you go in my closet right now, I have a bunch of stuff up already. I have stuff like this and this, which is from Princess Polly, so it's like really nice. Of course, why do I always have so many striped shirts? That's why I need to get rid of them. And just a bunch of really cute clothes that I need to get rid of so I can afford to go shopping again. So if you haven't ever seen the app Poshmark, it's pretty easy to use. I'm gonna pull it up and show you guys. So basically there's a bunch of different tabs. The main homepage is where you can go shopping. You can like search for stuff, and then you can sell stuff with the little camera in the middle, and then you can go over here, and this is my closet and all the clothes that I have on there. So once again, it'll be in the description. Download the app, follow my closet. I'm gonna be selling stuff. You don't wanna miss out. So now we can start with this clothing haul. There's a lot. So I don't even know where to begin. And a lot of this is like dirty because I've worn it. So these pants are absolutely amazing. I got them from Forever 21. They say NASA on them. I literally already stained them. I don't know how. They're like this, like that type of material. I don't know if that really explained it. But I literally love these pants. They're really unique, and I want to get more pants like this, so I'm really excited about them. And then kind of along the same lines, I got these pants, and these are both from Forever 21, and they're not like the same material as the NASA pants, but they're still pretty cool. And I got a drawstring, really comfy. I like these because I'm coming to realize that I hate leggings. I also don't really like jeans. So like these jogger type of pants are the best for me. So it's been like one huge trend to have striped shirts, and I decided to hop on that trend with a bunch of striped shirts from Forever 21. So let's just fly right on through them. We're starting with this striped shirt. We also have this one. I love because it has little wrinkles at the bottom of it. And this one's more like tight fitting, and this one's really thick and warm. I got this one in two colors, red and blue, and these ones are a little bit more cropped and a really soft material. They're much more thin, so I can continue to wear them in the spring and the summer, but I can finally hop on that trend and then put shirts like over top of them and make really cute outfits. This shirt is going to be perfect for my next trip I have coming up in LA, and also I like to wear it to the gym. It's just like a super like simple like cut off crop top, just for chillaxing, you know? And I got this really cute skirt, and I am so excited because it's literally skirt, like skirt in the front, shorts in the back. It's perfect. I can't wait for springtime. I also wore it with like leggings in New York, and it was really cute. It also has pockets, so don't even get me started about how amazing this skirt is. And then it's got that chain, which is like super in, and I love these. I love everything about it, so I had to get it. And it's from Forever 21. Everything I've shown so far is from Forever 21. These are like so in because it's got that like buckle belt. And then I love the vibe. It's like, I feel like I'm going to a safari, or like, I don't know, something like that, like in Jurassic Park, and I just need these pants. I think they're so cute, so I'm really excited to wear them come springtime. I've been trying to buy more stuff for like the warm season because honestly in the winter I just wear hoodies and I don't even try to dress cute. My last few things from Forever 21 are these puffer jackets. This was the most warm jacket I've literally ever had, which is so weird because it's literally just from Forever 21. And it kept me so warm when I was in New York, plus it matched my outfit. Everything about it was just perfect and exactly what I needed. And this one's NASA, so it says NASA on the back, it says NASA on the front, and it's got this like stripe down the sleeve, and it's that same material as like the NASA pants. Forever 21 has like really been coming out with that, like they literally have a huge section in the store that's just NASA, because I've been obsessed with space forever. now I'm gonna move on to American Eagle. American Eagle and PacSun are my two favorite stores to buy jeans at because their jeans are always stretchy and soft and just like really comfortable. My black jeans I wear every single day are from PacSun, but these new black jeans I got, they're so soft. These are from American Eagle. They have really cute rips, and I love the rips like at the very bottom of the jean. Comfortable, I can pretty much do anything in them, and I hate jeans, but this is not a jean. This is a jegging, I think, so it's like really nice. I love it. And then the other pants I got are these like mom jeans from American Eagle, and they're also very comfy, very stretchy. I can do anything in them, and I really just feel like I'm wearing sweatpants when I wear these, honestly. And they're cute, so like I really can't go wrong. So then one of my favorite stores is H&M because everything's like decently cheap but also really cute, and like I like shopping in the boys section there too. It's just a great store. I got these boyfriend jeans from there, and they have rips all down them. These are gonna be perfect. I wore them, like I can still wear them in the winter and it'd be acceptable, but they're gonna be perfect in the spring and the summer. They're just like an all around, like all time, you can wear them any season jean, and they were only like 20 bucks, so I was definitely down for that. And then like I said, I'm sick and tired of leggings. I never want to buy another pair in my entire life. I only wear them to work out, and even then I hate it. So at H&M I bought some joggers, and these are amazing because they have that like ripply stuff on them, which I love. These have like the deepest pockets and the biggest like front ever, and like at first I thought that they were boys because of that, but they're not. They're literally girls. So I don't know what happened when they were making them, but I'm honestly not complaining because they're so comfortable and cute, and I just love them. Have I done a good job of not calling everything cute? Because I've been trying to be really cautious, whatever the word is, of that. And then I got these in the boys section at H&M. Boys sweatpants at H&M are the best thing that's ever happened. So they're sweatpant joggers. They're very warm, very comfortable, yet still cute, and they have zipper pockets that actually zip, so that's really nice. And I wear these so much, they really need washed. So that is, oh wait. And then I went to Old Navy, and because I had a gift card, I never just like go to Old Navy, but I had a gift card, and I got this black jean jacket that has fuzz on the top, which I love because I have a black jean jacket but it's not very comfortable. This one's actually comfortable, and it has that like cute style of fuzz on it, so it's a little bit extra. So that's all I have for clothes. And then I went to Bath & Body Works because I had a coupon, and a lot of the stuff is already like in my bathroom being put to use, but I got body wash. I got it in a couple different scents. I got it in Hello and this scent Rose. So this scent Rose is like really freaking good. Oh my gosh, I love it. Lotion, perfume, body wash, and hand soap. So I went wild at Bath & Body Works. And then I got Magic in the Air lotion. So, oh my gosh, I'm gonna sneeze from that perfume. Okay. Okay, I think it's gone. I hate when sneezes don't come. Like, I always want them to come out. It's fine. So that is it for my shopping haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. This isn't usually something I do on my channel, but I thought it'd be fun to show you all the new stuff I got because you guys are literally always asking where my clothes are from. Just to get an idea, my clothes are either from PacSun, American Eagle, Forever 21, or H&M. Once again, thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't already have the app, make sure to click the link in the description and download it. Follow my Poshmark. I'm going to be selling clothes. I'm starting with these items I have right now, but I have a lot more coming. And that's it. That's all I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!